In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Adobe Express. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you're using the web version, launch your preferred browser and head to the Adobe Express site, then give it a moment to load the editor interface. Starting here ensures everything you create is ready to be saved properly. Next, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in is important because Adobe Express automatically saves your project to your account while you work, which protects you from losing progress. Look for your profile icon or name in the top corner to confirm you're signed in before moving on. From the left-hand sidebar, you can choose to open something you've already started under your stuff, or begin a fresh project by selecting Start New Design. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and click New Design. You can pick a size or template that fits your goal, like a social post, flyer, or video. Then make your edits, add images and text, and get the design looking just the way you need. When you're ready to save a copy to your computer, go to the upper right of the screen and click Download. This option creates a local file you can store, send, or upload elsewhere, and it's the best way to keep a shareable version of your work outside of Adobe Express. Remember, your project is still saved online to your account, but Download gives you a file you can use anywhere. You'll now choose your file format. Select PNG if you want high-quality images, especially if you need a transparent background. Choose JPEG for smaller file sizes that are great for web and social media. Pick PDF if you plan to print or need a clean document-style export. If you created motion or video, select MP4 for a standard, widely compatible video file, or GIF for short looping animations. Depending on the format, you may see options like quality, transparency, pages, or compression. Adjust these to balance image clarity with file size. If your design has multiple pages, make sure you're exporting the ones you need. Finally, click Download to start the export. Adobe Express will process your file, which may take a few moments depending on the size and format. When it's done, check your browser's downloads or your chosen folder to confirm the file saved correctly. It's a good habit to name your file clearly and keep versions if you plan to make future edits. And that's it. Open the file to review it, and you're ready to share or print. Thanks